Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. Take care of your health and take care of your family. करीब लॉकडाउन 3 ख़त्म होने को है. अभी लॉकडाउन 4 शायद होगा या नहीं होगा. But hopefully things are getting better, so let us hope that we meet soon. I hope you are studying, taking my lectures regularly and also the lectures of other faculty also. Do study, try to make your time successful. I know you all are at home. એટલે કંટાળો તો આવે જ, but yes, try to do something creative. Learn something, read something, try to understand things, put things together and try to make it a point. Try to make notes on your own and do something. Today's my topic is menopause. As we had studied puberty, same way we are going to study menopause. Especially for third year, menopause is asked as a short note, 5-mark short note. You have to understand it, you have to go through it properly, both clinically, both theory wise also, because it is something which will come in your day to day practice. You see, રોજ આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસમાં મેનોપોઝનું સિન્ડ્રોમ લઈને, મેનોપોઝની કમ્પ્લેન લઈને લેડીઝ આવવાના જ છે. એન્ડ યુ હેવ ટુ નો સમથિંગ. And you should be clear, your fundamentals should be clear. In exam also, short note on either puberty or menopause or the drugs for puberty and menopause are asked. So you have to learn it. Now, first of all, you see, what is menopause? Menopause, by definition, it means permanent cessation of menstruation. Permanent cessation of menstruation at the end of the reproductive life due to loss of functioning of the ovarian follicles. Permanent cessation of menstruation at the end of reproductive life due to loss of ovarian follicular activity. Clinically, menopause is stoppage of menses for consecutive 6 months or 6 periods. This is known as menopause. So कोई भी लेडी होय એને 6 મહિના લગી periods નહીં આવે તો we can say that she has achieved menopause, she is at menopause. So this is it. Now there are some terminologies related to menopause. Premenopause. Okay, the word premenopause, which is the period prior to menopause. Clear? The period prior to menopause is called premenopause. Period after menopause, post-menopause, is known as post-menopause. Menopause પછીનો થોડા વર્ષોનો સમય એને post-menopause કહેવાય. And finally, perimenopause, period around menopause. Period around menopause. એટલે લગભગ 40 થી 55 વર્ષની જે ઉંમર છે ને એ પેરીમેનોપોઝ કહેવાય. Before also, after also, it is period around. Fourth terminology which we commonly use, આપણે બધા બહુ વાર વાપરીએ છીએ, કઈ climacteric. What is it? It is the physiological period in a woman's life when the ovarian functioning starts to decrease. Same thing, menopause જેવું જ. It is the physiological period in a woman's life when ovarian functioning starts decreasing. It is around 5 to 10 years either side of menopause. It is around 5 to 10 years on either side of menopause. Menopause પહેલાના બી 5-10 વર્ષ, menopause પછીના બી 5-10 વર્ષ. એટલે લગભગ you see, menopause and climacteric, both words go hand in hand. બંને વર્ડ્સ જો એકબીજાની જોડે જોડે જ હોય છે, they go hand in hand. So you can either say she is at climacteric age or you can say she is at a menopausal age. That lady is at a menopausal age. Got it? Now you see, there are some criteria on which menopause depends. They are not the criteria, but there are some criteria which we normally have to take into account whenever you refer or whenever you talk, when you discuss with someone about her menopause. First, you think the age. It is genetically predetermined. Menopause age છે ને એ શું હોય, genetically જ હોય. So like mother, like daughter. करीब करीब समझ लो, मदर को अगर 52 पे गया है तो बच्ची को भी 50-52 के आसपास ही जाएगा. It won't be 45. So it is genetically predetermined. Second thing, thinner woman Thinner women have early menopause. Cigarette smoking and malnutrition, they also cause early menopause. Average age of menopause is around 50 years. Average age of menopause is around 50 years, but it varies from 45 to 55. Got it? These are the main or the most important criteria that you keep in mind whenever you discuss menopause. ठीक है? Now let us go further.